Welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to do a walk around on a Forest River Vibe travel trailer. It's a 28RL rear living room. Very nice trailer. Has a big nice fiberglass cap on the front with the LED lights here on the front. Has a power tongue jack. Has a battery disconnect here so you can disconnect your battery from everything, save the life of your battery. Has a really nice strike plate in the front to help protect the front end. The Vibes also give you a nice big cargo door here on the outside so you can get bigger items in, bigger chairs and things like that. You notice it is an aluminum framed camper, so it's lightweight. Nice big storage area goes all the way through. This features two power awnings. You have a power awning here with the speakers, outside speakers that light up. You have the new steps that fold up into the door jamb. Nice big wide steps. And you have another awning on the slide out. Also on the slide out here you have your TV hookups. Moving on to the inside. This camper has opposing slides on the inside. You notice it has the all-electric refrigerator. It also is 12 volt capable. Nice big refrigerator, lots of counter space. USB charging station. Nice big oven with a pots and pan drawer underneath it. All stainless steel appliances. You have a really nice stainless steel sink and faucet here. This camper features the table and chairs with storage under each chair. Nice recliners that you can move around anywhere. Very nice comfortable couch with the big windows. Lots of big windows in this one. Has a nice big TV with a DVD, CD player, and the electric fireplace that blows heat so you can take the chill off without burning your propane furnace. Also, you have a nice big pantry in this one. Very nice. Moving on to the bathroom, you have a walk-through bathroom, which means you can walk through. Oh no, this is not a walk-through bathroom, but you have a nice big shower here. Sorry. Nice big shower. Lots of storage. Nice medicine cabinet, some counter space here. And then going into the bedroom, you'll notice this door. You notice how this door hinges shut. Very unique. It's a space saver. And then going into the bedroom, you have a nice closet back here. You have shirt closet on this side of the bed. Really nice nightstand with USB phone charging and outlet on this side of the bed. And this company gives you a brand name pillow top mattress. It's a Denver mattress. Very comfortable. This is a 28RL Forest River Vibe. So come and see us today at Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.